Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today, I discuss for class 10, unit 4, chapter number 1. Today, I discuss in this topic entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. My dear student, I send the video only for today for class 10th, class 9th, and the class 8. My first topic, what is the entrepreneur? My first topic, what is the entrepreneur? Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur a process. Entrepreneur a person who starts a business. Entrepreneur a person who starts a business. I write down, then after discussing every such type of point, a person who starts a business, that is called to the entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is an individual who enters a new business. I write down, an entrepreneur is an individual who creates a new business bearing most of the risk and enjoying most of the reward. My dear student, first of all, why entrepreneur and entrepreneurship is included in your subject? My dear student, this is a very important topic, and this topic is mainly included in the business purpose. Suppose you started a new business. I discuss in this such type of the sentence, a person who was to suppose you started a new business. So this is the entrepreneur, and every person is always time think about I started the business is only for individual, because the partnership business, there are the three type of the business. I discuss in the three type of the business. This is the not in the part of your topic, but in this topic interconnected in this topic. First business partnership. Second business amalgamation. And the third business entrepreneur. My why the discuss in this partnership, you enter in the enter in the 10th and the 11th student, the all our students study in these three part of the business. The partnership means the two partner, three partners are started in the business, and the profit is always time divided in the three parts. Amalgamation is always time. Suppose company X and the company Y. This is the example of the Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki is only manufactured by the model related work, but all such type of parts are not manufacturing the Maruti company. You always time manufactured by Sony Koya. The steering wheels is always time manufactured in produced in the Sony Koya. Sony Koya is the company name. The Sony Koya company is provided in the all such type of four-wheeler cars in the steering. This is the steering. Company X and the company Y. Company X, suppose this is the higher business authority power, and the company Y is always time bad debt. This is the Uninor company. Uninor company merged with the Airtel. So just like so, company X is always time it focus on the company Y. The company Y is adopt in the business in the company X. So amalgamation related to the XY company, because company X is undertaken by the company Y, and entrepreneur the individual person who started the business. This is the entrepreneur. So my dear students, this is not to the interconnected. This is the not to the topic related, but interconnected in this related topic. So entrepreneur, when the person start the new business, and there are so many such type of the risk, there are so many such type of the benefit, but those businessmen, example Modern International School, Dr. Anuj Kumar is the director of the Modern Group. You started the new setup, the one schools, the modern English school, and when I started this school, my director is not always time thought that my school is the very big levels. So they always time risk cover. New business is 90% chance to the risk cover, and the 10% chance is the profitability. Enjoying the most of the reward. This is the main funda of the entrepreneur. I write down to the another. The entrepreneur is commonly seen as an innovator, a source of new idea, goods and services, and business. The entrepreneur is seen as the innovator. Suppose you have started with the suppose the school is lockdown, closed in the lockdown. So my school is started the online classes. This is the first time. It has started in the online classes. There are so many such type of risk cover. There are so many such type of reward. Reward means my online class is successful. All teacher work in a very honestly work. The commonly seen as the innovator source of new idea. Suppose I have started in the online classes. My first of all focus boys group in the individual and the girls group in the individual. This is the new idea. Goods and the services, the all teacher provided in the syllabus, one big syllabus, two big syllabus, and the all teacher work with the any such type of teacher work with related to the syllabus. This is the good and the services and the business. The services, the business mainly involved in the three parts. First, goods and services. Suppose you innovate the product pen. You innovate the product pen. There are so many companies involved in the market. Most of the company involved in this market. But you started the new business, you search and the analysis. Suppose pen. You have started the pen business. The first of all, search of the all market location, search of the all company matters, search of the all company location, search of the all company, new idea, good and services. The new idea is always time developed in the entrepreneur. New good and services better. The company is 100% chance is the very successful. Mukesh Ambani, nowadays very successful. Geo, I work with the Geo. My dear student, this all our topic is mainly related to the business. Why I am discussing the very broad level? Because I study in the all over such type of topic in the deeply. I discuss in the only two company. First company Geo, and the second company Tata Nano. Why Geo is successful and the Tata Nano is the failures? This is the entrepreneur. The two companies started to the new business. They have always time start new business. दोनों कंपनी का मालिक का न्यू बिजनेस था, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. मुकेश अंबानी is a different man and the Tata different person handles. So why Geo is the successful and the Tata Nano is the unsuccessful? My dear student, there are two reasons of the Tata Nano unsuccessful. Why the unsuccessful? Because the first plant is shifted in the Jamshedji Tata, Ratan Tata is Singur, West Bengal. The Mamata Banerjee government is not provided in the all over such type. First time the Mamata Banerjee agree, I provided the land is shifted in the Tata Nano, established in the Tata Nano company. The Tata Nano all over such type of material parts is put down in the Singur, but Mamata Banerjee failures. Mamata Banerjee not agree, I am not provided in this land. So Tata Nano again established in the Gujarat. The Chief Minister of Gujarat, Narendra Modi, is provided in this land. That the costing level, the cost management is applicable. Finance management is also applicable. The cost plus finance plus material cost, production cost, all such type of cost are shifted in the Singur plant. But Singur plant is not established. So again, Tata Nano is established in the Gujarat. And Jamshedji Tata, Ratan Tata is always time said that 1 lakh Laktakia car. This is the failure of the brand. 1 lakh का कार भैया कहाँ मिलेगा? दिमाग में सभी को लगा लखटकिया. मेन रीजन फेल्योरेंस का लखटकिया. प्राइस लो एंड एक कार आपको 1 लाख में मिलता है. 1 लाख में आज के डेट में बाइक नहीं आता है. 200 सीसी 50 का बाइक लो तो भी कॉस्टिंग भागता है. टाटा नैनो का कॉस्ट ज्यादा लग गया, वहां सारा प्रोडक्शन स्टैब्लिश हुआ, फाइनेंसिंग चीज एस्टैब्लिश हुआ, बट दिस ममता बनर्जी नॉट एग्री एंड द all plant is shifted in the Gujarat. Again costing, again financing, again production, the all cost is the heavy. But Jamshedji Tata, I agree कि I make the 1 lakhs car because it's a big businessman. कार भी बना, सब कुछ हुआ, why again failure? टाटा नैनो एक रीजन से फेल्यूर हो गया। आप जब भी कार लेते हो उसका ग्राउंड लेवल चेक करते हो। Why Scorpio and the Innova? Scorpio is the better, but Innova is the not better in Bihar road, Hiswa road, Nawada road. Innova car is failure. My dear student, Tata Nano ने 10,000 कार मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कर चुका था ऑलरेडी, बट वन कार टाटा नैनो ने वारंटी दिया 5 ईयर। कुछ भी होगा एक कंपनी बना के देगा, कुछ भी हो गया एक कंपनी करेगा। एक कार में आग लग गया चलते वक्त, मात्र 1 से 2 कार में। भाई 1 लाख का कार है और आग लग गया, आपने कहा 5 साल, उसको किया 10 साल कि चलो 10 साल तक कुछ भी होगा हम देंगे, फिर भी फेल्यूर। मेन रीजंस द ऑलवेज टाइम सेट इन योर माइंड 1 लाख कार, व्हाट इज द फैसिलिटी? एक खंबा आदमी उस कार में एडजस्टमेंट नहीं होता है। एक कार में ज्यादा दबाव होता है, ज्यादा प्रेशर होता है, वो कार का जो जितने भी पार्ट होते हैं वो कुछ समय के बाद हिलता पुलटा हो जाते हैं। सो फेल्योर दिस कार, सबसे बिग फेल्योर इज द नॉट एस्टैब्लिश इन द सिंगूर, अगेन एस्टैब्लिश इन द गुजरात। द फर्स्ट फेल्योर इज द टाटा कंपनी, but this company is undertaken by the Jaguar. Jaguar is the best. Again the part of the Jio, the first time Jio established in free data pack, free data pack 8 month Mukesh Ambani is the free. After 8 month मुकेश अंबानी ने एक ऑफर दिया, यू मेंबरशिप इन दिस कंपनी एंड देन रिचार्ज विद द 399 एंड फॉर 3 मंथ। इस 8 मंथ में मुकेश अंबानी ने 800 करोड़ का अपना कॉस्टिंग लगा चुके थे, 800 करोड़। अब 800 करोड़, suppose I provided in the online classes in the free of whole of the year, but after open the school, all our person mindset this school is the best school. Why? Because the all our teacher is provided in the online classes, all our teacher provided in the honesty पूर्वक, same the Jio company 8 मंथ में 800 करोड़ में लगा चुका था। समुद्र में अपना जो भी फाइबर लेवल का जो वायर था उन्होंने बिछाया पहले, ऑल ओवर मार्केट को कैप्चर किया, ऑल ओवर मार्केट कैप्चर इन द जियो। द टू कंपनी, फर्स्ट कंपनी, द कंपनी इज ऑलवेज टाइम, द कंपनी इज ऑलवेज टाइम फोकस ऑन द एयरटेल। आप रूरल एरिया में जाओ, एयरटेल का कंपनी मस्त काम करता है। क्यों? उसने मार्केट कैप्चर किया। रिलायंस फेल्योर, व्हाई अनिल अंबानी फेल्योर एंड द मुकेश अंबानी? अनिल अंबानी इज फोकस ऑन द अर्बन एरिया, बट सुनील भारती मित्तल इज फोकस ऑन द रूरल प्लस अर्बन एरिया। पहाड़ पर भी चल जाओ, एयरटेल का काम करेगा। बट जियो ने 8 मंथ में 8,000 करोड़ रुपया कमा चुका। फोकस इनका एयरटेल का भी था। भैया एयरटेल भी तो मेरे साथ में खड़ा है, इन्होंने काम किया कि भैया, क्योंकि जब व्हेन द जियो इज लॉन्च द ऑल ओवर नेट डेटा पैक इज हाई, ऑल ओवर कंपनी का डेटा पैक हाई हो चुका था। जियो ने कहा कि अच्छा रुको, मैं एक स्कीम लाता हूं। जियो लॉन्च टुडे इमीडिएटली a scheme, जियो सिम फ्री एंड द नेटवर्क फ्री, डेटा पैक फ्री, कॉल डिटेल फ्री, SMS फ्री, ऑल सच टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटी फ्री। 8 month जियो इन्वेस्ट इन द 800 करोड़ रुपीज। Mukesh Ambani, the daughter Isha Ambani, is developing the new idea, and you first time launch the where any person, the new person purchase in the Jio SIM card, the first of all membership, the 100 rupees membership. And then after 399 for the 3 month, I hope maybe the data is I am right or wrong, because data is not my mind 399 or approx, but 499 rupees pay for the one man. 499 rupees pay for the one man, 499. But Airtel is not any such type of scheme. Airtel अपने मस्ती में चल रहा है, नो एनी सच टाइप ऑफ लॉन्च इन द न्यू आइडिया। जियो तब तक क्या किया कि आपका पूरा मार्केट कवर किया, अर्बन और रूरल दोनों को कवर करना शुरू किया। व्हेन द जियो इज कवरिंग ऑल सच टाइप ऑफ रूरल एंड द अर्बन एरियाज, देन आफ्टर द 499 1 पर्सन, उस वक्त इंडिया में आपका मैं बता दूं एक अप्रॉक्स डेटा के मुताबिक, क्योंकि आई वर्क विद द एयरटेल कंपनी, आई my internship completed in the Airtel, so all our company data is approx is known। उस वक्त जियो कंपनी ने लगभग मतलब आपके मुंबई, बिहार, कोलकाता ऐसे ऐसे ज्यादा शहरों में एक तब तक आपको मतलब जब the scheme is the 499 launch, the Jio profit is the 1500 crore. 1500 crore is the profit. The costing for the 800 crore and the 1500 crore profit. The 700 crore profit in the Jio company in approx for the 5 to the 6 month. 8 month ने 8 करोड़ रुपया लगाया, लेकिन आफ्टर 6 मंथ में इन्होंने 700 करोड़ रुपया कमाया। This is the entrepreneur. I hope every student agreed in this particular topic. So my dear student, I am not discuss why the Airtel failure and the Jio company failure. I discuss Jio and the Tata Nano. This is the entrepreneur related topic. My dear student, I again, entrepreneur play a key role in any economic using the skills and initiative necessary to anticipate needs and bring good new idea to the market. My one sentence I finish the topic. Entrepreneur means new idea developed in the market. You are the good student. You are always time focused in the best part in the life. You always time new idea develop. The new idea develop. This is the entrepreneur. So my dear student, I end in this topic. Thank you so much.